Hey, what's up, honeycrunchers? It's me, Jham, and welcome back to honeycrunch321. In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I did this glittery ombre French tip nail art. Of course, before every nail art, I apply 2 coats of my favorite peel-off base coat to my natural nails. Then I'm applying 2 coats of a milky nude shade to my nails. Now, I'm applying liquid latex around the skin of my nails. Now, I'm applying 3 shades of glittery blue nail polishes on a cosmetic sponge. And I'm applying thin coats. Then, dab it onto the tip of your nails. Then do the cleanup. And now let's apply a thick layer of top coat. And there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram to get the latest updates and more. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Stay safe. Bye!